Stay tuned if you want to know how to go from this to this. Welcome to El Motociclista. In order to be able to plug your tire, you'll need a kit like this one. Arrange all your tools in sequence so you don't lose any time, starting with pliers, punch, cement or glue, needle with a plug, and a razor. Inflate the tire so it is nice and solid. First, use the pliers to remove the screw or nail. Quickly introduce the punch and apply some glue or cement. Take the punch out and put the plug in. Only leave about ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch of the plug out. Pull the needle out and the plug should stay inside. With the razor, cut the excess plug off. Last, put some soapy water on the plug to make sure there is no leak. Remember, this is a temporary solution and you should replace your tire as soon as possible. And this is the final result. I hope the video was helpful. Remember to drop a like and follow.